The iPhone 17 Pro Max is nearly here. And with launch day just weeks away, we now have a clear look at what's coming, thanks to a string of solid leaks and reliable sources like McRumors and Mark Gurman. First up, Apple is finally improving screen durability by introducing a more scratch-resistant display. While recent iPhones have held up well against cracks, scratches have remained a common annoyance. This year's Pro models are expected to change that, offering stronger resistance that may finally let users skip the screen protectors. A shift in materials is also on the table. Earlier, there were talks of a titanium and aluminum hybrid build for the iPhone 17 Pro series, but the latest information says otherwise. Apple might be going back to a full aluminum frame for the Pro and Pro Max, with titanium reserved for the iPhone 17 Air. This throwback to the iPhone 14 Pro's material could impact everything from weight to durability, and it's one of the more surprising updates so far. Wireless charging is also evolving. Qi 2.2 was initially expected to bring 50-watt speeds, but that claim has been revised. The correct figure now sits at 25 watts, which is still a notable step up. More importantly, this speed will be available through third-party Qi 2.2 compatible chargers. No need for an Apple-branded MagSafe puck anymore. That opens the door for better flexibility and less spending on accessories. Small design tweaks are coming along with it. To accommodate the new wireless charging setup, Apple is adjusting the MagSafe magnet layout and lowering the Apple logo slightly. This isn't just for looks, it's a structural change to make room for more efficient charging alignment. On the color front, we'll still see the usual black, white, and silver variants. But Apple is spicing things up with a new gold-orange finish and possibly a dark blue option. Meanwhile, the sky blue shade might be moving to the iPhone 17 Air. These new colors are designed to complement the aluminum build, giving the Pro models a refined but fresh appearance. Under the hood, Apple is introducing carbon lithium batteries to the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, similar to what we saw in the iPhone 16e. This upgrade should boost battery life significantly, making the Pro Max one of the best performers on the market. Combined with the efficiency gains from the new A19 Pro chip, users can expect longer screen time and better thermal performance. Speaking of the chip, the A19 Pro might feature 3D stacked cache architecture, allowing vertical data access alongside traditional routing. This should make the chip faster and more efficient, with possible gains even over top-tier Android silicon like Snapdragon's latest. Multitasking will also feel smoother thanks to the bump-in RAM. 12 gigabytes now comes standard in both Pro models, matching industry competitors and paving the way for more advanced apps and tasks. Heat has been another issue Apple seems determined to fix. A new vapor chamber cooling system is reportedly in development for these models, promising better thermal control during intense use. This could finally address the overheating complaints from previous generations. As for when all this will become available, Gurman suggests an official unveiling during the week of September 8th, likely on the 9th or 10th. Apple is expected to open orders shortly after, with availability beginning around September 19th. Pricing remains unchanged. $999 for the iPhone 17 Pro and $1,199 for the Pro Max, though the Max continues to ship with a larger 256GB base storage. Unless tariffs interfere, those numbers should hold steady in the US.